Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina. Today my cleaning lady was here. She did a lot of work, chores as usual, and the laundry is clean, so I already folded it. It's over here. I'm gonna be showing you. And also I want to change my bedroom curtains, make my bed, and put all this clean laundry in their respective places, so we're gonna be doing that together. Also, I want to take these carpets from here. I normally keep my carpets on the console table, but here there are so many, like it looks so stuffy, so I want to transfer them from here to my bedroom. Basically, this is a cleaning video. If you're looking forward for cleaning tips, house decor, DIY routines, evening, morning routine, how to prepare meals, this channel is for you. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video for you. So let's get started. This is the before. I'm standing right on my entry door. As you can see, literally everything is almost everywhere. Yeah, clothes all over, laces and all that. And over here I have the clean laundry and folded, as you can see. A tip for you: hiyo siku nguo zimefuliwa zikakauka, kunja the same day. As you can see, the clean laundry, even a blanket and all that. So what we're gonna be doing, working on the living room, taking this to the bedroom. Also this side, as you can see, they are stuffy. Na hizi seat zote, kuna ingine iko kwa balcony na ingine iko pale hajafuliwa, like turudishe shears hapa and stuff. So where do I start? Let's start working on the living room first, okay?
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
Moving on to the bedroom, I mean, this place gets so messy so quickly, especially with clothes piling up and little things out of place. I really wanted to give it a reset so it feels calm and cozy again. And as you can see, we have the folded laundry, and yeah, the blankets and everything. So as you can see, this is clean laundry. I got to place it in the wardrobe and arrange the bedroom. So let's get started, and I hope you enjoy. And I gave you a tip: the same day you wash your clothes, if they dry the same day, please make a step of folding them the same day. Okay, and I love it here. Like, I arrange my clothes as per the columns, and yeah, as you can see, I don't have to repeat myself. So make sure to enjoy, subscribe if you like cleaning tips, house decor, everything household, everything lifestyle. This channel is for you right here. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video for you, my good people. I love you all, and please, let's get to 2000 before the end of the year. I am not asking for too much. I only need 400 subscribers, and then it will be a deal done. Like, I'll have achieved a lot, because I'm so grateful for all of you. Like, I don't take you for granted. And actually, let me talk throughout this thing. What else should I tell you? Like, I just love having my space neat. Okay, and I know for some of you, or maybe even for me, sometimes the bedroom always feels like the hardest room to tackle, because yeah, you have to clean everywhere, dust off everything, but once it's done, it makes the biggest difference. A clean bedroom honestly makes me feel so much more relaxed and ready for the week, and that's why I hate to do this. And remember, I told you I was moving my carpets from the living room to the bedroom, and as you can see, I'm creating space for it. Them being up there, it's much easier to access rather than being in the living room, because it made my living room look, or rather seem so what is it called, stuffy, and I had to transfer them to the bedroom. As you can see, you're gonna see the end product. Anyway, this is giving women in men's field. Look at me, I'm handling that by myself. Yeah, I have to put things back together where they belong and give the space a quick refresh, because I love it here. Simplicity is what defines me. And also, I'm thinking of separating my music from this lifestyle channel. What do you think? By the way, if you make it to listen, or rather watch this vlog up to this part, if you hear this message, please let me know. Make a point of replying to me down there in the comment section. Just comment, should I go ahead and separate them? Because I feel like this channel is more of a lifestyle, and the music seems to be lost in between the many lifestyle videos. Like, I just feel the need. And because you are my support system, my online family, I have to consult you first. Do you want a mix up, like the same channel, or I create another channel? Because personally, I prefer it differently, like two different channels. Yeah. Anyway, this is me moving on with cleaning. And yeah, I love it here. I normally change my bed sheets every Thursday. I use them Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I change on Thursday every week. It's a ritual, and thank you for being here. See you in the next lifestyle vlog. Bye. I love you.